How to forward voice messages on Instagram. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you some of the methods that we can follow if we want to forward the voice messages on Instagram. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. Open up the Instagram application first and you can open up the chat with a voice message. So look out for the DM option and tap on it. And then once we have tapped on it, we can head over to chat where the voice message is available. Once you are there, the thing is Instagram currently does not have a direct forward message button like some messaging applications, but you can use another method instead. So if you find the voice message, you can just go over and use up a screen recorder and go ahead and start up your phone screen recorder, and you can play the voice message and stop recording. And you can just go over and send the recorded audio or video to the another person. That is one of the methods available. And sometimes voice messages saved on your device can be shared. So if there is a save or share option, for example, let's say voice recorder, we can open it up and go ahead and tap on list and look out for voice message, hold it up and look out for share option. If there is an option to send it to Instagram DM, you can just go over and use that option, and it actually depends upon the device and the application version as well. And that's it. You can also use another messaging application. You can record the voice message playback and then share it to WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram, email, etc. And usually these are only the workarounds for now that you can follow up. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.